Welcome! In this video, we will cover the property summary which is available within the scheduling page. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the schedule page and enter the desired property into the search field. Once located, you will notice a button appear on the right-hand side with a couple of numbers. The first number is how many scheduled visits were incomplete or missed on the schedule. The second is the number of visits to do for the selected property that have not yet been placed on the schedule. When you click on the property summary, there are several tabs with valuable information. Priorities will show any visits to do, incomplete, or missed visits. Scheduled visits will show incompletes, missed, or future scheduled visits. Communications. If Field Central Connect is enabled, this will show emails and text messages sent to the customer. Sales will show contracts for the customer. Notes will show all changes made to the property account, when the changes happened, and the user linked to those changes. Notes can also be added on this tab. Reminders will show reminders created for this account, or reminders can be created. Add a reminder with the plus button in the top right of the Reminders tab. These can repeat or be a one-time reminder. Ready to give it a go? Review the property summary the next time you are scheduling a visit for a property.